Okay, the axle has been removed and another bushing came out right here. If I had a cameraman, we could have done this all in one shot. Here is the rear axle. There is the mark, which will align with that yellow mark right there when I'm finished. So let's see what we can do now. Now we have to get the rear tire out. We want to jack the motorcycle up a little bit more. You can see the tire is moving and shifting. It's disconnected from the swing arm. The issue right now, of course, is getting off the bike. Actually, for what I want to do, I don't even have to remove it. As you can see, there's my rotor and it's scored. I just want to replace this rear rotor, so we're going to leave it just like this for now.